I have been to 40 of the 83 provinces of the Philippines, searching for culture, and sometimes I get to say that there is none. What culture is there in hot dogs and waste products of chicken? Perhaps the culture of corruption, which is the threat to our culinary heritage and tradition. I want to tell you what is cultural and distinctly Filipino. But the masses have come to think that their street food culture is about isaw and fish balls. Fish-flavored fried dough with a sauce made of cornstarch and a drizzle of soy sauce. I just described the kikiam and the tempura because they are the same. Fried dough with a Chinese and a Japanese name. But it's definitely Filipino, this Manila-style street food that don't have Filipino names because they're not as cultural as much as they are commercial. Sure, they taste good, but they're not worth the hype in social media. I have been to 40 of the 83 provinces of the Philippines, searching for culture, and sometimes I get to say that there is none.